ViBox slow motion replay systems are available in a standalone configuration with different channel counts, UHD 4K, and mini versions that support 16 channels of embedded audio. One configuration supports 6 input records with 2 playback outputs. The source inputs are displayed at the top for you to preview and control all angles for review. You select which angle to queue up on either of the 2 program outputs to be used for replay. You have separate control of each program output. Playback of the replay for both outputs is controlled on the left side of the interface, including variable speed control. You are able to pause and play back on either output at preset speeds. Very simply make clips by marking in and out points, saving, and creating a clip entry. You can also create clips using the source inputs at the top of the interface. Clips are saved in the library area of the interface. From there, you are able to select and directly queue up clips for playback. You can choose clips and insert them into a playlist to be able to build a highlights package. You can select multiple clips, add them to a playlist, and then edit the playlist clips with new in and out points. You can choose clips from a playlist, view different associated angles, and select an alternative if desired to be used in the playlist. When the playlist is complete, you simply play it out on one of the outputs. For simple tactile control, you can have the option of using the Shuttle Express rather than controlling everything from the touchscreen. For traditional replay operation, there is also a remote control panel that works in conjunction with the touchscreen. You have the ability to control the camera angles for the program outputs. On the first row of buttons, you are able to switch which camera inputs go to the outputs. You can use the wheel to control, jog, or fast shuttle the outputs. The T-bar is used for replay speed. You can switch which output to use with the same wheel and T-bar controls. Both of the outputs can also be synchronously controlled in the same manner. You can switch and then control all the camera angles together as well. You can cue on the touchscreen and use the controller for playout. From the controller, you can go to live mode on one input or on all the inputs. You can start a replay on one output and make a transition to replay from another angle. This has been a Simplylive solution overview. For more information, please visit the Simplylive website at www.simplylive.tv.